One of the most important topics for men is definitely the right beard trimming and shaping, isn't it? If you want to trim and shape your beard in the best way to boost your confidence, there's no need to waste any more time, my friend. Let's get started. Introduction to beard trimming. First of all, remember that beard trimming and shaping is an essential part of your personal care routine. A proper beard trim, my friend, not only enhances your appearance, but also boosts your confidence. A well-trimmed and shaped beard brings out your charisma and completes your style because charisma equals popularity. Believe me, everyone aims to be liked and desired, even if they don't admit it. The right tools. Let's list the essential tools you need for a successful beard trim. Beard trimmer. Choose one with adjustable heads for different lengths. You don't need expensive options. A trimmer with effective cutting blades and long battery life will suffice, like the Bronze Series 9 Pro, a performance leader in the market. Remember, spending a lot doesn't always mean quality. The material quality and performance are much more important. Beard comb. Use it to comb your beard properly, not just before trimming or shaping, but also for long beards like the Viking style, depending on your hair type. Choose a comb with either fine or wide teeth based on your needs. Focus on durability rather than unnecessary expensive options. Scissors. For detailed trims and touch-ups. One of the most crucial parts of your beard care, and you need the right products that will remove unnecessary hairs on your face without hurting yourself. Brands like Camisori, Hattori Hanzo, and Schatz Solingen, known for their reliability, will leave you very happy in the end. Shaving foam or gel protects your skin and makes shaving easier. Instead of expensive brands, choose products suitable for your skin type. Wrong choices can lead to allergies and unwanted redness. Nobody wants to walk around with a swollen face, right? For example, I've been using Mule Organic Shaving Cream with a BDIH certificate for a long time, and I'm very satisfied because it also moisturizes the skin. Razor. Use a sharp and clean razor. My favorites are the Gillette Intimate Manscaping Razor and the best razor for bald head shaving head blade Moto Razor. Make sure you choose based on sharpness and long use rather than price. Beard, trimming, and shaping steps. Wash and dry your beard. It's always better to work with a clean and dry beard. Wash your beard and dry it thoroughly. Your goal should be clean skin, a nice scent, and a shiny, healthy-looking beard. Decide on the length. Determine how long you want your beard to be. Set your beard trimmer to this length and trim your entire beard accordingly. This step will determine the overall length of your beard. Comb and trim. First, make sure you've chosen a beard style that suits your face and chin type. Comb your beard downward and trim any protruding long hairs with scissors. This will give your beard a neater and more symmetrical appearance. Define cheek and chin lines. Follow the natural lines of your beard. You can use a razor or beard trimmer to define your chin line. Clean up your cheek line upwards to make it more pronounced. Clean the neck area. Defining your neckline makes your beard look more groomed. The neckline usually starts just below your jawbone. Shave the neck area clean and smooth. Pay attention to details. Carefully check the edges of your beard and mustache area. Make sure they are even and symmetrical. Make small adjustments if necessary. Tips and suggestions. Regular maintenance. Wash your beard regularly and keep it moisturized. Using beard care oils will help keep it soft, shiny, and healthier looking. Brands like Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil, Beard Brand Utility Beard Oil, and Premium Beard Oil are great options. Trust me, you can purchase them blindly. Just them. Proper nutrition. A healthy diet is one of the tips you should definitely not skip. If you can discipline yourself this way, it will help your beard grow stronger and healthier. Who wouldn't want to stay fit and have well-groomed, lush beards, my friend? Professional help. If you are trimming your beard for the first time or considering a major change, getting help from a professional might be a good idea. Someone else can make the right choice for your face type and head shape. Choose the most visionary and hygienic hair designers in your area who can work exclusively for you, not just the barber everyone in the neighborhood goes to. Yes, friends, today we talked about beard trimming and shaping. I hope this information is useful and helps you create your own beard care routine. If you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in new videos. Goodbye.